Hello students, welcome to my channel NCERT Science and Math Concept. Today we are doing the question which is based on the topic of dual nature of radiation and matter. The question here is monochromatic light of frequency 6 into 10 to the power 14 Hz is produced by a laser. The power emitted is 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 watt. Number 1, what is the energy of each photon in the light? Number 2, how many photons per second on the average are emitted by the source? So now first of all we see what is given to us. We are given frequency is equals to 6 into 10 to the power 14 Hertz. And power is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 watt. Now we know that the formula for energy is equals to h nu, that is equals to the value of h is 6.63 into 10 to the power minus 34 multiplied by frequency, that is 6 into 10 to the power 14. So on solving this we get energy is equals to 3.98 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule, or we can consider it nearly equals to 4 into 10 to the power minus 19 joule. This was part 1. Now we solve for part 2. If we consider that n is the number of photons that are emitted per second, therefore power will be equals to number of photons emitted per second into energy of each photon. So therefore n will be equals to P upon E. Power is equals to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3. Energy of each photon is 4 into 10 to the power minus 19. That is equals to 1 by 2 into 10 to the power 16. Or the number of photons emitted per second is 5 into 10 to the power 15 photons per second. Hope you must have understood how to solve this question. Keep watching my other videos for more challenging questions. Thank you.